Hello there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the form abandonment feature, right? The form abandonment feature, basically it helps you with analyzing your form, like each of the field, what's the conversion rate for each of the field, what's the durations that people take to fill out each of the fields so that you can optimize your form for better form submissions or conversion rate, right? It's very simple. You just head over to add a new form here and then enter your page URL where your form is and then give a name to your form. Click on generate form and then we will detect each of the fields in your form. And once you confirm they are all correct, this is the form that you want to analyze. Click on save form and your form will be under the active campaign here. So demo form is the form that we generated earlier, and then you can just like quickly view the result of this form. Right, so the timeline tells you the average durations that people take to fill out each of the field. So if you see a very high durations, means that people are taking a long time to fill up that field. So if it's a very simple questions, but people are taking an unreasonable amount of time to fill up that field, maybe there is something that you need to look into it and then optimize it. Right. So when you go on to the details, it gives you further details about what is the refuse rate and blank submit rate, right? Like again, if it's a very simple questions, but people refuse the the field very frequently, it means that they are not very sure, they are not very clear about the questions, so that they are trying to like change with the answer, and this is something that you can look into it. Maybe you can like also look into the second recordings on how people are interacting with that field to optimize their experience, right? And then the blank submit rate as well. If the field is a very important field to you, or if people just don't want to fill out that field, maybe they don't feel really comfortable by providing that information to you, maybe you can consider remove that field as well. And maybe you can collect that information later when you have built some trust with your visitors, and then that information you can collect later, right? So that is how you optimize, analyze your form, and optimize the form experience for visitors to improve the conversion rate, right? So at the right here, you can see the form funnel here, like how many people actually interacted with the form, and then they drop out from the field, so that you can also see which fields actually cause the highest drop off rate, so that you can consider whether you want to remove that field or you want to keep it to, but make it easier for people to complete, right? So I guess that is all about the form abandonment analytics, and I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.